Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with LastPass for sign-in and vault access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with LastPass for sign-in and vault access, start by ensuring you have the LastPass app installed or the browser extension added. Open the LastPass app or navigate to the LastPass website on your browser. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address in the prompt provided. Next, input your master password in the designated field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will now receive a security prompt. Follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication process. This may involve entering a code sent to your registered mobile device or using an authenticator app. Once authenticated, you will gain access to your vault. Inside the vault, you can view, edit, or manage your saved passwords and notes. If you encounter any issues during sign-in, verify that your email and master password are entered correctly. You can also check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. For additional security, consider enabling biometrics if your device supports it. This allows you to log in using your fingerprint or facial recognition. To log out, navigate to the settings and select the logout option. Remember to log out when using shared or public devices to protect your information. With these steps, you can easily authenticate with LastPass for sign-in and vault access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.